Good afternoon and welcome to another Python tutorial from Godbrain Games. My name is Wale. Today we'll be getting the length / number of items in a list by using Python's built-in len function. Alright. First, let me comment that out. First we build the list. That'll work. First we built the list right here. Those are brackets, and then we'll print test the list right now. Boom, that's our list right there, and you can see the brackets a little better. Alright, now to our main event is getting the length / number of items in the list. I'm saving it in a variable. But I guess you don't have to, but just convenient for printing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna save it in this variable. But to get the length, it's just len. That's the L, not a, I don't know what else it could be, but it's len. And then you put the list in question in parentheses. That's how you get it. Let me uncomment the lists. Yeah, that's why I saved it in a variable, because I'm printing it right here. I'm just adding it to the end of a sentence, but you could do math with it, or I think you could do math with it, but in case you want to do other things, it's just easier to save it as a variable. Alright, so print test that, and that's 7. Double check, it's not 0 based either, so it's just 7, not, I guess, it doesn't start at 0 and 8, and 8 items total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 222 make 7 items. Alright. And then just to finish up, I'm gonna shorten the list and then run it again, so you know it's not like snagging some random variable and it's actually counting our list. Alright, so it's 3 items now, and it should print out 3. Success. Alright, 3 items on our list. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to try and alternate between Python and SQL, and maybe some C# through Unity as well. So like and subscribe if that's something you're into. Alright, have a good one.